The Eventnook Onsite registration platform offers a seamless and stress-free check-in experience, allowing you to effortlessly manage your attendees. In addition, you can view live reports, giving you real-time data to make informed decisions and ensure the success of your event. Setting up an event has never been easier with Eventnook's on-site event setup. Simply log in to your registered account and click on Create Event to begin. From there, you'll be prompted to fill out the basic information of your event, including the event title, start and end dates and times, and the event time zone. Once you've entered all the necessary details, just click on Create Event and save your changes to complete the first step of creating your on-site event management site. With Eventnook, you can easily and efficiently manage all aspects of your event, from start to finish. To set up a registration form, first click on the Registration Form option. Since this is on-site registration management, it's assumed that you already have registration data in advance. You can match your collected registration data to the form field or customize to your need. By default, Eventnook presets some common fields such as first name, last name, email, company name, job title, and guest category in the form. The registration form fields are customizable. You can delete any fields you don't need, except for the email field which is required. You can choose which fields to include based on your specific event needs. For example, some fields may need to be printed on attendees' badges, some fields may need to be analyzed for reporting purposes, and some fields may need to be used to assign table or seat numbers to attendees. You can also add standard fields such as mobile phone, contact phone, home address, work address, and shipping address on the right side of the page. Simply click on the Add Custom Field option to add different types of fields. If you want to edit a field, click on the Edit button. For example, if you want to add a multiple choice field, you can label it with a name and add a brief description in the Help text field for the user. You can also set the field as required or hide it for back-end usage. You can even select the Add Other option to allow the user to input information if the options are not listed. Once you're done with customizing the registration form, click on Done and then Save Changes to save the settings. This will ensure that the registration form is tailored to your event's specific needs and requirements. When setting up a confirmation email for your event, there are a few key steps to follow. Firstly, click on the Confirmation Email option to begin. From there, you'll need to fill in the from name and reply to email fields to ensure that the email appears legitimate and professional. Next, uploading an image for the email banner section to make the email more visually engaging for attendees. When it comes to composing the email content itself, make use of the mail merge fields on the right-hand side of the screen. These can help you to personalize the message for each individual attendee, improving engagement and building a sense of connection with your audience. Finally, take advantage of the Choose sections in the email feature to add or remove sections as needed, such as QR code, ticket, attendee details, invoice, and receipt. With these steps in mind, you'll be well on your way to creating a polished and effective confirmation email for your upcoming event. Click on the Preview button to view a preview of the email's appearance. If you need to register multiple attendees, you can utilize the bulk upload feature by clicking on Manage and uploading a CSV file containing up to 100 attendees' information. To use the bulk upload feature, you'll first want to download the sample file format to use as a base sheet. From there, you can delete any unnecessary columns and rename the remaining columns as needed. Once you've populated the necessary information in each column, convert the Excel file to a CSV format file for upload. When you're ready to upload the file, assign a batch name for reference and choose the respective ticket type. The first step of the process is to upload the file, followed by performing field mapping to ensure the data is imported correctly. If there are any discrepancies in field names, you can map them to the respective field or choose not to import the data. Once you've completed the field mapping process, simply click Process Upload and wait 30 to 40 seconds for the system to process the upload. You can then view the uploaded attendees list. Lastly, you can also proceed to send confirmation emails by using the prepared form format in the confirmation email setting. But it is an optional step for sending confirmation email. If you need to edit attendee information for a report, it's a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the Attendees section under the Report tab. From there, you can search for the specific attendee whose information needs to be updated by using different fields such as name, email, or ticket type. Once you've located the attendee, click on the View button to see their details and then select Edit to make changes. After making the necessary edits, be sure to click on Save Changes to ensure they are recorded properly. If you need to edit information for multiple attendees at once, the bulk edit function can come in handy. To use this feature, simply click on Bulk Edit and select the field you wish to edit, such as their name or email address. You can then search for the attendees you want to update and make the necessary changes to their information. Once you're finished, be sure to click Save Changes to apply the updates to all selected attendees. Whether you're updating individual attendee details or making changes in bulk, these simple steps make it easy to keep your reports accurate and up to date. To register an attendee, simply click on the Register Plus button and fill out the required fields before submitting. Say goodbye to the stress and chaos of event management with the Eventnook. Try it today and experience the ease and efficiency of managing your events with just a few clicks.